What's up everyone? My name is Abhishek Gandhi and my project is to glow LEDs in the shape of Facebook icon. This is my hardware, that is Shield. I am going to attach Arduino board over here. So let me show you how to attach Arduino Uno board over here. So now I have attached my Arduino Uno board to my Arduino Shield. From here I am going to give the power supply. So let's hit. So in this way the Facebook pattern is glowing. For this LED is glowing, then this, and so on. Now I can change the delay with the help of this preset. So let us change the value of delay. We can change the value of delay by rotating the preset in clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. So now you can see the delay has increased. So we should increase the delay once more. Now the value of delay is maximum. So let us set the delay to its minimum value. It may happen that sometimes this may not work. For this instance, just hit the reset button, which is over here. See? Now we have the value of delay. Now we have the minimum value of delay. So in this way we can vary the delay. Now let us move on to our code.
So let's have a look towards the code. The problem statement says that write a sketch for a Facebook icon like pattern, use preset to change the delay. The author is Abhishek Gandhi, that's me. So first step is initialization. Here we define the global variables. So first I have defined the timer, int timer. Basically I will use this variable to define the delay. The second is int LED pin 1. It's an array of LEDs. Inside that I have written 12, 13, 0, 1, 2 and so on. Basically in this way the LED pins will go high. For the 12th pin will go high, then the 13th, then the 0th pin, then the first and so on. Basically I am using 0th pin to 13th pin, so I will use the counter 14. Now the next part is void setup. Inside that I have an instruction called serial.begin in bracket 9600. Basically the 9600 is the baud rate and serial.begin is used for the serial communication. Inside that we have a for loop. Inside that we have int this pin equals to 0, this pin less than pin count and this pin plus plus. After that we have pin mode, and basically it is used to define that these pins of the Arduino board are set as output. The for loop is used to set the first 12th pin to 1, then 13th pin to logic 1, then 0th pin to logic 1. Now I am using 0 and first pin of the Arduino Uno board, so I have to use the serial.n instruction. If I don't use this instruction, I would not be able to use 0th pin and the first pin of the Arduino Uno board. Now the next part of the code is void loop. Inside that I have used an if statement, int sensor value is equals to analog read A5. Basically the middle pin of the potentiometer I have attached to analog pin A5 of the Arduino Uno board. Now this value will be printed on screen with the help of the instruction called serial.print.ln inside the bracket sensor value. Between two consecutive readings I am using a delay of 1 millisecond. Now I am using several if statement. If sensor value is greater than 0 and less than 100, the timer is set to 100. Else if sensor value is greater than 100 and less than 200, the timer is set to 200. Basically I am defining various values to the timer, and these values will be used to call the delays. After that I am using a for loop. Inside the for loop I have written int this pin equals to 0, this pin less than pin count, this pin plus plus. So basically I am setting a counter from 14 to 0. Then after that I am using an instruction called digital write LED pin 1 inside bracket this pin and high. This instruction will tell Arduino Uno board to set the logic 1 to the several pins of the Arduino Uno board. Initially it will set 12th pin to logic 1, then 13th pin, then 0th pin and so on. After all the LEDs are high, I have to set all the LEDs to the low. That means I have to switch off all the LEDs of the Arduino Uno board. For that I am using another for loop. Inside that I am using digital write LED pin 1, this pin, comma low. This will switch off all the LEDs of the Arduino Uno board. This loop will continue to go on several times. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.